In this episode, a bottle symphony shows how changing water amounts in glasses creates different musical notes. Materials include 6 identical bottles: water, food, coloring for visibility, a towel, and a ruler for spacing. Fill each bottle to varying levels, tap gently, record the notes, and explain that pitch depends on air column length and water depth. Science Bite: increasing water lowers pitch by shortening the air column. The vibrations travel through water and air, producing clear tones. Fun Twist: stack the bottles to make a simple scale, then explore volume, resonance, and how engineers tune instruments.